Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, hey, you know what, one thing about people, once they see that you are doing great, you are thriving, you are just focusing on your life, they will talk. People will talk to try and bring you down, but you must just let them be, you must just let them be. So guys, we all know Uvuyokazi Ncweni, who was Mpumelelo Mseleku's girlfriend slash baby mama. She is the baby mama. First, it's not baby mama. Oh, mama wengane, guys. We need to stop calling people baby mamas. Hi, it's not giving. So guys, the girl has started a hair business. As you can see in this picture, she has started a business that sells hair. She has gone to Turkey to do a gastric sleeve surgery to lose weight. She has a new YouTube channel that is going places. The channel is growing. She is just living her life. She's just living her life basically after everything that happened. The failed marriage, the relationship with Mpumelelo, she has been through the most. So Kesana, a blogger posted and said Vuyokazi Ncweni has found herself a new man after her failed marriage, what. So I'm guessing Guti Vuyokazi saw this on Facebook, screenshotted. Wabuya Kesana ke posta ku Instagram stories and write wabhala ukuthi what is this now? Meaning people are getting familiar with her and she doesn't like that, It's just a rumor. Now the person that posted this says Vuyokazi has found herself a new man that is sponsoring this weight loss surgery, the birthday, the businesses that are newly established, which is a lie, because now she is putting everything into order to say, no, this is a lie. She also posted this on her Instagram stories. When you do everything for yourself, but people always assume there's a man behind it. Guys, Vuyokazi's YouTube channel is getting a lot of views and the channel is monetized. So obvious, she is getting money from that YouTube channel. And also, it's none of our business where she gets her money from. It's really not our business. But hey son, people will always talk whether you're doing good or you're doing bad. They will always talk. But leave a comment in the comment section down below, guys. I will see you.